Hello. So in this class, I will be walking you through how I successfully created a virtual machine in Microsoft Azure in this assignment. Uh, so without wasting much time, I'll be going to my Microsoft Azure portal and I'll be showing you step by step how I achieved this result. Yeah. So here's my Microsoft Azure. Here's the home page. So I'll click on create a resource. Then from the create a resource, I will click on create virtual machine. Mind you that we are using student credentials, or we are using student account. As you can see here stated Azure for students. So I will put a name for the resource group. From the assignment, we are asked to use our last name followed by 235. So that's my last name, Owusu 235. Okay. And then the virtual machine name, I'll use the same name, no issue. 235. Yeah, and then when it comes to the okay, so yeah, the reason is that I already have a virtual machine created using this this name, so I'll try and create a different one. Yeah, 234, just for tutorial sake. In the region, the student account is not really supported in Africa, so I'll choose India. Yeah, Central India. Here I will leave it on self-selected zone. I want to create on zone. Okay, zone 1 is okay, no issue. I'll use zone 1. I'll leave here on default. The size. Okay, I choose standard. Yeah. And then I'll create a username. As you can see, Owusu235. And then I'll create a password. Let me just confirm the password. The password does not match. Oh, okay. Okay, it matches now. Okay, I will allow selected port so that I can be able to connect my virtual machine to RDP. Whilst I'm done, I'll go to next, the desk here. So here I want to do much. What I want to remove from premium SSD to standard. Yeah, to standard SSD. Yeah, I don't do much here. That is it. I'll come to networking. Networking too, I'll not do anything here. I think I'll use the default settings here. I'll move on to management. Okay, so at management, I will now enable the auto shutdown. I'll enable it. 7 p.m. Yes, yeah. I will move on to network monitoring. No changes needed. Advanced, no changes needed. The tags, also we will not make any changes, so I think that is all. Okay, I passed my validation, but I'll not be moving on to creating this virtual machine. As a result of, I have an old virtual machine already. I just walk you through the process of how I did it. So I'll close this page, and then I'll come to home. So you can see I have a virtual machine here, or I can come to virtual machines. Okay, yeah, I have this one already. I'll run this one. Yeah, it's already running. So as you can see here, I think it's not really clear. Wait, let me go back, come back here, and I start it from here. I wanted to occupy the full screen. Okay. Okay, so we come to properties. You can see Owusu 235. I'm running 2025 Windows Server. 8 GB RAM and a 2 vCPU. And then when you come here, the auto shutdown is here at 7 p.m. This auto shutdown is needed because we are using a paid platform, and as students, I'm on a budget, so this will help me to be able to use my budget or the money wisely, because Amazon Azure cloud computing platform is a paid platform. So automatically it will shut down at 7 p.m. So without wasting much time, okay, I want to start all over. Wait, I want to start all over. Sorry, I initially connected, so I want to start all over. Yeah, so I'll come to connect. It's connecting. Okay, and then I'll copy the destination VM, the public IP address here. I'll copy it, and I'll come and search for remote. Okay, remote desktop connections. Then I'll paste the IP address I copied. I'll click on show options. Then we're going to request for the username. I'll put my username Owusu 235. Yes, and I will connect. Okay, so from here to request for the password I created when I was creating the virtual machine. And for the certificate, I'll click yes. Okay, so we have been able to connect our virtual machine created from Microsoft Azure to our RDP. So from here, I want to refresh a little. Then I'll show you the computer name. Go to Windows. I will come to File Explorer. This PC. Right click and I'll choose Properties. Yes, so as you can see, the device name is stated here, Owusu 235, as instructed in the assignment. So that is how, and then the Windows edition is also showing here. Windows Server 2025 Data Center Azure Edition. Yeah, so that is all the properties are here. We have been successfully connected our virtual machine to our RDP. Yes, so we followed all the assignment instructions. The measure instructions were the computer name or the machine name to be our last name followed by our class 235, and then we had to run a Windows Server 2023 or higher. And then after we had to connect, we had to show that we're able to connect to RDP, a remote desk link. Yeah, and then we can prove that our name is indeed showing the last name. Our machine name is indeed showing the last name 235. So that is it for this class. Thank you, and we shall meet in the next class.